going to be a late afternoon porta potty review here out bike riding. This one is next to this other one that I reviewed here a week or so ago. They've already got the concrete construction coming up on that one, and this one they haven't started yet. This is a forever clean porta potty, and it's just starting to rain. Let's give this a quick review here. Forever clean. And you can hear the rain coming, which is not going to make a great bike ride going back home. Got a little way to go here. There's something missing here. Got a dirty toilet. Got one big roll of toilet paper and one partial roll. Got a little bit of graffiti. Got some holes. Some more holes here. And the urinal is not all that clean. Looks like they probably moved this from site to site. Got a graded floor. Doesn't smell all that great in here for forever clean. Let's go check the outside out. In the rain. Fix this door here. And it's raining a little bit more now. Sitting on skids here. Clay. Got lots of clay in this area. Walk around, look at this other one here. Other side. A little protection fence here, probably from erosion. Kind of leaning a little bit, looks like. Clay surface is going to sink. Give us a medium thumbs up here. And this is a new home construction site just outside of Raleigh, North Carolina. Looks like they're going to have a little bit of a pond view as well.